Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Dulce. In today's video I will do a DIY fall decorations, so stay tuned for more. What you will need are some colorful wick balls. The next thing that you will need is string lights. As y'all can see, these are my string lights. I already had them for a couple of like about a year. I have been using this one, so we'll use this one. As you can see are the LED lights, and I will show you how to make these how do you call this, I will show you how to do this twilight with the little balls in here. So if you want to see more, stay tuned for more. Okay, you will just get a lot of different sizes and colors of these wick balls. Here how they look. Here's the bigger one. So the thing that you will do is start with this one and just put it in here, and that's it. If you need to use some hot glue for the bigger ones, get some hot glue and just put a little bit so it won't fall off like this one. We'll just put a little bit of hot glue just to secure the light inside, and go on and go on. Look, as you can see, you could hang them if you want to, or you just could put all of this in a clear glass vase, and it will look so cute. These the little balls that I got for the twilights are from the 99¢. The lights I got them on. This is the second DIY fall decoration. It is really simple and easy to make, so I will show you how to make it. The supplies that you will need is a galvanized pot, some green filling, 4 daisy flowers, and 3 cotton bundles. The little green balls will go under, all the way under the pot. As you can see, I'm arranging them to see how I wanted it. Then the green grass, you will put it on the top. Now you will want to fold the bottom of the cotton and the daisies and just start to rearrange everything as how you want to see the results. So I'm just, like you can see, I'm just arranging them however I want it to look. Okay, this is the final product. I really love how it came out. It is neutral colors and it's screaming fall. Hopefully you like this second DIY and stay tuned for the third one that I will show you. Okay,